In today's new economy and business world, you need a fast, reliable source of information for all your accounting, bookkeeping, and tax needs. We are that source. And here's why. We've put together a no-nonsense package of services designed to meet the needs of small and medium-sized businesses at affordable prices that you'll actually be happy to pay. Why? Because our program is designed to save you the two things you could use more of: time and money. How do we do it? Well, that's easy. By concentrating our efforts on a few strategic areas, instead of trying to be all things to all people. Just take a look at our standard package of monthly services designed specifically for you, the business owner. Each month, you'll receive a detailed statement of income and expenses. This information is critical to you, the business owner, as well as to us, your accountants. It will enable you to keep track of trends in your business and plan better for the future. You'll also make more informed decisions about your business and avoid costly mistakes. In short, it will help you run your business better. We'll also provide you with unlimited support for your accounting and business-related questions. Just pick up the phone and call, or make an appointment to stop by our office. We want you to know we are here to help you. Our experience is at your disposal at no additional charge. Each month and quarter, we will prepare the necessary state and federal forms required to keep you in compliance with taxing authorities. This saves you valuable time that can be devoted to running your business more efficiently and profitably. We offer pickup and delivery of all your accounting records as well. We want to make our service as convenient as possible by saving you the time and trouble of getting your paperwork to us. Because it is our responsibility to pick up your records each month, we ensure that all of your filings are done on time. And finally, we provide tax planning ideas and preparation for all tax returns, as well as many other related services. Just ask, and we'll be happy to provide you with a detailed list of these services. Avoid the frustration and hassle of trying to keep track of all your bookkeeping and income tax issues, and allow our professionals to handle these areas for you.